Hello everyone, my name is Li Min Xu, the last name XIE. Today we talk about solving quadratic equations. What's a quadratic equations? So quadratic equation is an equation containing a single variable of a degree 2. What's the general quadratic equation form? So general quadratic equation form is a x squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Here, that's a not equal 0. Okay? Why does a not equal 0? Because if a equals 0, so we got a 0 square, x squared equals 0, right? So that's not quadratic equation. Let's take a look at example. So x squared minus x minus 6 equals 0. We make two factors, okay? X minus 3, x plus 2 equals 0. Why does make x minus 3 times x plus 2? Because we can break down that's negative 6. So negative 6 equals negative 6 times 1, or negative 2 times 3, or negative 3 times 2, right? Or that's negative 1 times 6, right? We can make a first try for this one here, because negative 3 plus 2 equal negative 1. That's equal middle one here, right? Okay. We can take this two facts, x minus 3 equals 0, or x plus 2 equals 0. So x equals 3, or x equals negative 2. We solve this quadratic equations, right? Now we make another example, okay? If x equals x squared minus a equals 0, how to solve this one? So both sides plus a plus 8. So we got x squared equals plus 8, right? And then we make a square root that's both sides. So we got that square root x squared equals plus minus square root 8. Okay, we take it out this square root for x squared. So we got x equals plus minus 4 times 2, right? So x equals plus minus 2 squared times 2. This one we can take it out outside here. X equals plus minus 2 times radical 2. Figure out this quadratic equations, right? But, however, it's not always we can use that's a factors method to solve the quadratic equations. Let's take this example, how to solve this one here. If x squared minus 6x minus 1 equals 0, how to figure out this one here? If we understand there's a quadratic formula, that's easy. Solve this one. Remember, x equals negative b plus minus square root b squared minus 4 times a times c divided by 2a. Okay, this quadratic formula. For this case, what's the a? A that's 1, right? What's the b? B that's negative 6. C that's negative 1, right? So we get there's 3 variables for the formula we can solve here. So x equals minus negative 6 plus minus square root negative 6 square minus 4 times 1. See, that's negative 1, right? Divided by 2 times 1 here, right? Here, we keep going here. 2 negative, that's positive, so 6 plus minus, so negative 6 squared is 36. So this negative 4 times 1, negative 1, so total that's 4 divided by 2, right? And then we move here, so that's 6 plus minus, that's 40 divided by 2. Okay, we can break down, that's 40. 6 plus minus 4 times 10 divided by 2. Okay, and then we make 2 times 3 plus minus 2 radical 10 divided by 2. So we can cancel each 2 here. We got that 3 plus minus radical 10. So that's so easy. Figure it out. We can use the quadratical formula, right? Okay, that's all for today. Have a good one, everybody. Bye bye.